this shit, and I turned into a scary scene like Goosebumps. For thought eternity be ended on a pulled out. I got Goosebumps. No, indeed, ignoring. Here's why she's still in. Let you the bitch really started teasing my I was like, what the fuck? Brothers, how is that bad? He got shaped in his blood. I just skipped the cod, pressed back, and now my pockets are better than safe buttons. And can't someone please tell me how the fuck Carlstein is still alive? Run up on him, boy. Run on, you are also going to die. Road was to get crazy and the teams like cartoon trying to die. And I only the quest for bitches, that is my time. And I drink liquids, only the purple kind. Brittle truck done it, our bottle of lead. And did no vaccine, it was laced with cyanide. And I thought what pathetic nutty backseat kind of shit that I like. But brittle, but now he looks like back drive. You regret him, bitch, who used to smoke rats out of a pipe. But then she overdosed on that crack, and then she died. And if you want to know who gave her the crack, then it was me. And I only bad that she died from the ecstasy, because she wouldn't have died if she wasn't severe. But brittle, and then I realized her kids split bunch of sick bitches. Well, now I think I got kryptonite and feet. And I only drink Molotov and dead hoodie. Oh, how the fuck do you expect me to get drunk off a bottle of fucking me? And it's HickBoy Hundo, bitches, really neurons in my face. Had to cut this bitch off because she was weird as fucking solo. Pictures of her being just grabbed this outside of your Burger King, and he was hello bees. Call me back because my pockets are hello bees. Why are you flexing? We all know you got that shit from Seagull. And I used to sell goods to all my teachers of skill because I was sacking with the deep contrast me where I create the dresses of dungeons and make the people place brothers dresses of keyways out like Ruby. Bro paid me $60 for it and I sold him some sunflower seeds.